So in this problem, the x represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sixths. And we know it's an increase because the y is actually bigger. So it actually increased by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part here is 5 sixths. So we know that one of our answers is an increase by 5 sixths. Now, for our equation, we know that we have our 6 sixths here, which equals 1, and then a 5 sixths here, which is 1 plus 5 6, putting them together. So it's 1 5 6. Now you just have to figure out what that would be as a decimal. So if you take your 5 6 and do 5 divided by 6, you're going to end up with 0.83 repeating. So your whole thing is 1.83 repeating. So our equation is y equals 1.83x. The repeating line didn't show up on assessment. So we have these two as your correct answers.